Exams are coming and you're not ready for them. And yet, you spend far more time than you should on Facebook rather than studying. Sounds familiar? Hey there! It's Gustavo from Spot On Uni. If you want to smash your exams and unlock your success, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you're notified every time there's a new video. Today, I want to discuss how you can stop procrastinating on Facebook without the need to go to the extreme of disabling your account. I've actually tried both today's technique and completely disabling my account, and today's technique is much better because it doesn't force you to miss out on Facebook events, groups, or messenger communications. You might be asking yourself, why am I blaming Facebook when you are not ready for your exams? Here's the thing, science has actually proven that accessing Facebook while studying harms your results in exams. And the worst thing about it is that it doesn't matter how long you've been on Facebook. If you have just entered it or spent 10 minutes, your results will be worse than if you hadn't done any of it whatsoever. Science also tells us that the temptation of Facebook is so strong that on average we can only focus for 3 minutes when Facebook is around. And when you think about it, 3 minutes to study for your exams really isn't that long. And lastly, Facebook actually drives you to have a massive FOMO or fear of missing out every time you're not checking on your phone. So even if you don't have a notification, you are wondering whether someone commented on your post, shared your picture, liked your comment. You might think that this fear of missing out is just in our heads and doesn't drive any behavior, right? Well, on average, we touch our phones more than 2,600 times a day. If we consider that you sleep 8 hours a day, it's 2 touches every minute. Now, the question we should truly be asking ourselves, how come a website has such an influence on us? How come they can impact us so much when they're just a website? Long story short, the website isn't really their product. Their product actually is you and your attention, as their CEO, Mark Zuckerberg, confirmed last month.
Well, how do you sustain a business model in which users don't pay for your service?
Senator, we run ads.
I see.
Their main tool to capture and retain your attention that they can then sell is actually the Newsfeed. Yes, the Newsfeed. Have you actually ever surprised yourself scrolling down and down and down without ever reaching an end, no matter how long you scroll down? This is the infinite scroll that keeps you always wanting more and always provides you with content so that you continue scrolling until it ends, which it never does. And because of the constant flow of content that Facebook serves you, the newsfeed is the main element that actually drops your concentration and gives you that feeling that you're missing out. Good news is, you're just a few clicks away from solving this problem, just in time to catch up and get yourself truly ready with more focus and concentration so that you can succeed at any upcoming exams. The solution to that problem is yet another extension to the Google Chrome browser, and it's called Newsfeed Eradicator.
Newsfeed Eradicator!
So here we are on my Facebook page, and it's quite ironic that the first thing that we can actually see on my feed is an advertisement. So case in point, and I can browse down and so on, and I could scroll as much as I want. But what we're going to do is we're going to look into Newsfeed Eradicator on Google, and you see that the first link is chrome.google, which is the Chrome store. So if you click on it, you see the Newsfeed Eradicator, you add to Chrome, you accept the extension, and then it's telling you it's added. If you go back on Facebook now, what happens is that you don't have anything, but you actually have a quote, and every time that you actually refresh or go on the newsfeed, you actually see exactly what you want to see. You just have a quote with some motivation. And now it's your turn. go ahead and install the extension so that you can finally kill the distraction that the newsfeed on Facebook gives you. Regain your focus, smash your exams, and unlock your success. Hey there! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to find out about one technique that will give you an unfair advantage on top of everyone else, give you better grades by studying less, you can just follow this URL and I'll teach you exactly how to do it. I'll see you there. Take care.